So, because I know you're hungry,
Yes.
and I mean, I know that last time you were here, you ate well.
I eat well.
You eat well.
I was impressed.
I like to see a healthy eater.
I went with a take-home box and things. So yes.
So once we were doing After Dark, I had to have back Keevo. Not only because I wanted to feed you tonight,
Yeah.
but as I said to the top of the show, Keevo, real talk, guys like yourself, Rudy, Nikki Crosby, really inspired this show because I thought that late night TV, and I keep saying it, and I hope we embrace it. It's something that you guys could do so naturally, and I really wanted to use my little platform to expose that and bring some comedy. Keevo will be doing some comedy a little later on the show for us. In the meantime, I have some oil heating here.
Yeah.
Now, you like this is late night snacks.
Right.
Brought to the folks by Great Foods. Great Foods does a hot dog that is called Belly Buster.
Yeah, boy.
What you size of the fella now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank God it's late night TV.
Yeah. Somebody had dropped me home.
This is not an ordinary hot dog. They call this a Belly Buster.
Right.
So when they drop in the bread, in the hot dog roll, you're biting bread alone. You know something, you bite a hot dog.
Oh gosh,
and
boy.
you bite bread alone.
That kind of mystery hot dog. You don't know where it is. You bite it. Where is the hot dog?
That will not happen with Great Foods bread. That will not happen.
We did up in mystery dogs here.
The thing about it, I started to cook Keevo, true story, because my interest in different flavors and doing things differently in the kitchen is really what inspired my love for cooking.
Okay.
So when I recognized, stew chicken, curry chicken, but then I could do a Douglas chicken, and then I could throw some cinnamon in the chicken and do a cinnamon flavored chicken. I started to play with flavors. I would do that one for you one of these days. That's a good one. So this is not just a hot dog with ketchup and mustard.
Okay.
That's not this.
Yeah, well, I see an thing here.
This is an Asian flavored Belly Buster hot dog.
All right.
I went, true story, I was in New York one year. I'm just getting my hot dogs going here. Just some simple oil, guys, and the hot dogs will start to saute up in a while. I went to New York one year and visited one of those food markets in New York. And that market had a range of different items, but it had a hot dog stand with all unique different types of hot dogs. And one of the dogs that stood out to me was an Asian flavored hot dog. And when I recognized the same thing, I said, but wait, now what is hot dog? When you bite into it, you're tasting like you're eating Chinese food. I said, well, come now, man. We can do this?
We can do that.
So I come home and I try to make my Asian flavored hot dog. So when I saw this Belly Buster from Great Foods, I said, hey, let me use this and make this for Keevo tonight. So let me tell you what I'm doing. I have red cabbage, white cabbage, a little bit of carrots, and this is my base for an Asian slaw. You know a coleslaw?
Correct.
I'm doing an Asian slaw. So I'm going to rest this here. Let's keep this here for me. And I'm going to pull together now my Asian dressing.
Right.
I just need a double work in here because I don't want.
I don't mind the piano. It's not a problem. But
you cool yourself, no man. You're here to relax tonight.
Yeah.
And just stay so you relax yourself. So I'm going to start pulling together. So I have some olive oil.
Right.
That's going to be the base of my dressing. This is sesame oil, so the Asian flavor. Yeah.
Again,
so some sesame oil goes in there. Soy sauce. Can't get more Asian than soy sauce.
That's a must.
Yeah, that's a must. I have a little honey.
Okay.
Just for that little,
Correct.
that little sweet tang. I have some ginger.
For the ginger.
For some kick, I have some red pepper flakes. You like it hot?
Yeah.
You like it hot? I have some garlic that I just want to get in here. This is a little special tool that I don't play with at all.
What?
Yeah. I overs my days of cutting up garlic and things.
I spend about 5 minutes doing that. Where you buy that?
Yeah. Check me after, Check me after, you know. Off here. Check me. You get this mixed in together. A little salt.
Right.
A little pepper. And you have an Asian style dressing. I am smelling, I tell you, it smells like a Chinese restaurant here.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
Smelling like, you know, wang tong.
I forgot some rice wine vinegar.
Right.
That I just want to add in here as well. And get all that mixed in. To this, Keevo. So this is going over
Ah, all right.
my slaw.
I feel I might eat that by itself, yes?
Yeah, no,
Okay,
here
good.
now. This is a good slaw. And you just get all coated, mixed together. And you allow it just to get to know each other.
Nice.
Keevo, forget to remind me.
Don't forget the
The hot dogs.
right?
Where's my tongues?
Get right here, you think,
My tongues is here.
Yeah,
Keevo.
looking good.
Yeah. While the hot dogs are coming together, I have here a creamy Asian dip as well.
Okay.
Same ingredients,
Okay.
but I did some mayonnaise. Hot dog is about,
Yeah.
ketchup, and so I had some mayonnaise, all the same flavors here.
Just with
And
the
I-
mayonnaise.
Just to
Okay.
create a nice little creamy dressing as well. So,
Ah, boy.
one for me, one for you. What two?
Yeah, no.
If you want to say what to,
I wouldn't do that
no,
on
sh-
that.
no
My-
shame, no
my
shame on
mother
the show.
watching by-
Your mother watching.
Yeah, you take one to go. We take one to go.
They want to, yeah, want to go.
Yeah.
Want to go. All right. So, this is how the magic comes together, Remember I told you I have a Asian
Right.
little nice cream dip here. I am going to line my hot dogs because all this has lovely all the Asian flavorings,
Right.
the soy sauce and that kind of thing. Right? My hot dogs ready? Great Foods Belly Buster.
Ooh.
There is no
What is
bread.
this?
There is no bread, no hot dog roll in the world that could hold this one. You're not biting into no hot dog and missing
Yeah,
the
you
hot
don't want
dog.
no mystery hot dog.
Yeah, you don't
can't
know.
find
You're
it.
sure what you're eating.
Yeah.
You're eating bread and ketchup or something like that. No, you don't like much avocado, so you get the small one.
Yeah, give me that little mini one. You go on there.
This is just as I tell you, because of the Asian flavor, this really just goes well with it. The Asian flavors are strong flavors.
Right.
So the avocado is a nice kind of creamy balance for
Right.
the Asian flavors,
Okay.
right? So I just really want, and it just looks pretty as well. You eat with your eyes. To that now, Keevo, I have my Asian slaw.
Hello.
Lots of Asian flavor in there. And I just want a little to just go over this bad boy here. Put your belly buster on. Have some hot dog bread waiting.
Ooh. I love it.
You love it? Just for good measure.
On top.
Just for good measure.
Yeah.
Just for good measure. I'm just gonna give a little drizzle. A little drizzle there. Asian belly buster hot dog. Courtesy the folks at Great Foods. Keevo, you take a bite. You tell me. Oh, Jesus. No, you got to. Got to. Thank you. But lots to eat. I promise, come hungry, you will leave happy. This is Cup of Joe After Dark. Keevo is in the building. He's dropping some comedy on us tonight. But when we come back, much more fun and food with my friend, Keevo and Lois.